lovelies, welcome back to another video. Sorry it's been a while, but I had a cold and then my daughter also had a cold, so we were down, but then we were feeling better. But then our plumbing kind of went south and everything was draining into the tub and it was disgusting. And then right after that got fixed, my husband started getting sick, so he took like 50 billion showers, I feel like. And then, so today we were going to be deep cleaning the bathroom, and let me show you why. With all the showers he was taking, it started putting mold on our ceiling. So I've already put vinegar on there. It's been setting for about an hour. So I'm going to wash that off and hopefully it takes off most of the mold. But yeah, today we are going to be deep cleaning this bathroom. On this day too, my camera was making me kind of mad because it would just not film the whole thing. Like it would start filming and then once I would start cleaning, I wouldn't notice and my camera would automatically shut off. So I don't think I got as much filmed on this as I wanted to, but hopefully you guys can still enjoy what filming my camera did do. So I hope you do enjoy. Babe, I'm into you. We've been on and off, in and out, up and down too many times. Now it's time. Show me what you got. Some say that it's the little things, I say that it's a big old ring. Anything to hear you say I do. It ain't the way that you see me. It ain't the way that you kiss. It ain't the way that you please me. It's just the way that it is. The way that it is. You had me running blind. It's time for you and me, baby, to make up our minds. Some say that I cannot believe that just with spraying water or vinegar onto the ceiling and then just wiping it with a wet mop, that it got all of that off of the ceiling. I am still amazed. I'm so happy. So now I'm just gonna start taking everything off the walls and then just everything out of the bathroom in general, because I do want to wipe down the walls because they were looking a little yucky too. The way that it is.
about what you're putting in. All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything? Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. My mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door.
I should have filmed this at a better angle, but here I am just trying to get the baseboards clean because they were looking pretty yucky.
The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just
wiping the glass doors. Once again, I'm just using vinegar and then water. But I was mad at this part because I thought it was filming, and here it did not. But after I wiped down the glass doors, then I used a squeegee to get the water off of there. But yeah, unfortunately that part you don't get to see.
All the things we've been through, everything that's been you, there isn't anything else that I wish I had done to be true. Yeah, that's the thing about you. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you make sure I'm all you've missed. Baby, it takes just one kiss. The best thing I did, and I want you to know, was letting you in. From that moment I knew that you were all I missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. 'Cause here in your arms I can finally let go. The rest of the world is outside when you made sure I'm all you missed. Baby, it took just one kiss. I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say. Now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck.
Alright, so that is going to be about this end of the video. I'm really glad with how the bathroom turned out. It is so much cleaner now, and now I'm not worried about the mold being up on the ceiling. So now I feel like I can take a nice refreshing shower and not have to worry about anything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done. And if this is your first time here, I hope you will think about joining my little YouTube family and hitting the subscribe button down below. But I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!
Where love could grow.